How to create a beautiful agency website in HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that by answering the following 3 questions for you. Question number 1, how to use a template to build an agency website in HighLevel. Question 2, how to build an agency website from scratch in HighLevel. And number 3, how to actually get a pre-built, professionally designed agency website for HighLevel 100% for free. So we're going to hop out of here and into my demo account. So inside my demo account, first thing I want to do is go down to Sites. And then from Sites, we can either build a funnel or we can build a website. And my favorite thing to do is build a funnel. And I call it a sales funnel website, right? Because I want to basically get folks to take one specific action on my website when they land on my root URL. And the best way to do that with all the cool functionality is inside of a funnel. And then I follow or back that up with a WordPress blog for SEO purposes. So the first things first, you can click on plus new funnel. Then you can start from a template. You can click continue. And then from here, if you wanted to build out an agency funnel, you can then choose based on all the different types like marketing agency. So you could select that. And then you can pick from one of these templates to get started if you're not sure what kind of design you want to create, or you're not very creative type and you want to kind of go off of some sort of pre-made template. So you would select one of these options. There's a ton of different options in here. It looks like there's different ones with different subject matter below them, so read through them just to double check what each of them are designed to do or what their purposes are before you pick one. But if there's something that tickles your fancy, you can pick it, modify it any way you see fit, and make it into your marketing agency website. So that's one method. The other method is to click the blue button and start from blank and build it out that way, right? So we call this agency website, or whatever the name of your agency is. And then we'll just have a funnel that has no pages or steps yet, and then we'll click on add new step or import, and we'll give it a name like home, and perhaps the path would be /home or whatever you want it to be. And if you want to import from ClickFunnels Classic or ClickFunnels 2.0, you can do that as well. Click on create funnel step. It's going to create your first funnel step, and then you can create from blank or use existing. So if we click on create from blank, or we can click on edit, we'll open up the editor where we can start designing our agency website from scratch, right? And it'll start with asking you to add a section, whether you want a full width, wide, medium, or small. Typically I go full width, then add a row of some sort, like one column, and then an element like a headline, and then we would possibly add another section, and we might add a 2-column row, and we might add an element here that's like a paragraph, and then on this side we might add a video. You get the picture, right? So just save this temporarily. So that's how you start building out from scratch. The other thing you can get your hands on 100% for free, if you sign up for HighLevel through my bonus package, you can get access to this, which is our agency sales funnel website that's specifically designed by me personally, which I use in my digital marketing agency every single day. So here we have our logo that you put in. You have these menu items: how, who, what, why, when, results, and questions, which of course you can change to anything you want them to be. We have a strong call to action at the very top. We can't wait to meet you. Schedule a quick 15-minute no obligation appointment to talk now with us about your business needs. And then there's a call to action that opens up the pop-up, which has the appointment calendar on it. And then of course we have our leading pre-headline here, attention small business owners. And then we have our headline, the best digital marketing agency, period. And then a sub-headline, we make digital marketing simple. And then of course we have a fine print sub-headline that says a pretty bold statement. We know that's just how confident we are in what we do. And it says some businesses we've worked with and shows some logos. And then of course we have how we can help. And we have our 3 primary services we offer: lead generation, lead response, lead reactivation. And there's a call to action: who we are, call to action; what we do, call to action; why we do what we do, call to action; what our clients say, testimonials with a call to action; when can we get started. So we have a simplistic 5-step process. Schedule your 15-minute no obligation appointment. Digital marketing audit, step 2. Step 3, place your order. Step 4, fill out the brief. Step 5, sit back, relax, and let's take it from here. Call to action. Got questions? So we have an FAQ section, call to action. Then we talk a little bit about our customer engines, which are proprietary engines we've created, Marketing Engines A.I. So we have like AI lead reactivation engine, AI reputation review engine, AI customer referral engine, AI birthday celebration engine, AI appointment booking engine, AI local sales funnel website engine, AI retargeting engine, and AI lead alert engine, with many, many more to come. Call to action, content systems such as social posting services, blog posting services, video posting services, and email newsletter services. Call to action, and then of course we are the ones giving you first class service, and then it's got a spot for the founder, the helpers, your basically your team, whether that's 1 or 2 or none, and then of course call to action, logo, and our footer information, right? So this is a one-page website that gets them pretty much to book an appointment. That's what our call to action is. That's the one thing we want them to do. Again, you can click on any of these and it'll take you right to the sections of the website quick and easily, which is really nice. Okay. And again, you can get this 100% for free if you sign up for HighLevel through my HighLevel bonuses link that you will see below this video. And it's part of my amazing bonus package. So as always, I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching this particular video. If you have any questions regarding this or anything else, please let me know. Just leave me a question in the comments below this video. I'll do my best to answer it for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest HighLevel bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive the HighLevel Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines A.I, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines A.I SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines A.I actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines A.I at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine. Plus, there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines A.I platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient, and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on Start a Free Trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.